To find and manage display settings on POCO C85, what you can do is you can go to settings, and then in here in these settings you should be able to find display and brightness. Simple as that. If we go over here we can find a bunch of different settings like the dark mode. We also have dark mode options where we can create an automatic dark mode. We have screen brightness settings where we can change the screen brightness in here. We can set up automatic screen brightness, and when it's off we can also toggle the sunlight mode. We have the screen color customization, and there is also the reading mode, which turns your screen yellow or orange-ish in order to protect your eyes when you are using your phone at night. And the refresh rate, of course, which can be set to default, which allows you to use up to 120 Hz of refresh rate. However, if the battery consumption is higher, it will be dropped to 60 Hz. You can also choose custom, and you can pretty much force 60 Hz, or you can use up to 120 all the time, and then it doesn't matter if the power consumption is higher or not. Then we have the font option, which redirects you to the Themes app with different fonts that you can install mostly for free. And we also have font settings where you can change the font, and also we can make it bigger or smaller, and we can also adjust the thickness of the font, but this seems to be only available for the MI Sans font, at least by default. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.